Hola muchachos, this is a quick video to troubleshoot if you're having problems listening to the recordings on your lab manual activities. So any activity you see marked with an L, those are listening activities. Sometimes students have had trouble listening. So for example, if I play this, it should not work. And that is very frustrating. However, if you guys go to the upper right corner, you'll see this little puzzle piece. And what's happening is my browser is blocking Flash. So if I click this, I'm going to click Run Flash this time. Let's see if it works.
LM42. Un robo en el control.
And from there, I can go ahead and listen to that. If that does not work and you don't see this popping up, you can always go to the media library, select the chapter, and then go to audio library. Now if you click here, I think you'll have the same problem. The plugin is blocked. However, if you click this link right here, it will actually download all of the audio files to your computer. That way you'll have them locally, and then you won't run into the plugin issue. So I hope this helps navigate if you have any trouble playing the audio for the iLrn assignments. As per usual, if you have any questions, feel free to email me. Otherwise, adios.